Hey you guys, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. So today what I'm going to be cooking is a tortilla pizza. Now if you've never had a tortilla pizza, you gotta try this. It is so good. It tastes even better than just regular pizza that you'll get from Little Caesars or Pizza Hut. Nah, I'm lying about that, but it is still good. Like it is the bomb. So what I'm going to show you is how you cook this in your air fryer, your conventional oven, even your oven. You can also cook it in a roaster too. I find that the conventional oven and the roaster cooks it a little bit quicker than the air fryer. The air fryer, you will have to cook it for at least about 20 minutes. In the conventional oven, I would say probably just 10 minutes the most. And that's not bad. Your hungry children be ready to eat in 10 minutes. It's great, right? So with this pizza, you can add anything you want to it. Sausage. You can add a little bit more crust to it. You can add 2 layers of tortilla. So let's get straight to this video and let's see what I add onto this pizza and how it came out. So first we're going to grab our tortilla shell and put it inside our air fryer. We're going to put it in there until it gets nice and hard. So there's not a set amount of time that you want it in there. I had mine in there for about 4 minutes. Now that it's nice and brown and hard, we're going to add our sauce. And the reason why we do this step first is because if we put it in the microwave or the air fryer, with it being just soft, by the time you add all your toppings, you don't have a pizza, you just have a burrito. So I got this pizza sauce from Save-A-Lot for 99 cents. You can also get it at any store you want to. Kroger's has it, Walmart has it, or you can make your own sauce. I cut up some bell peppers. I'm just gonna add it underneath the cheese because if my children see it on top, they probably won't eat it. But I'm gonna add just a little on top. And then I'm gonna add just a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna add some more later. So I'm going to be using garlic and herb seasoning. I got this seasoning at Save-A-Lot as well for $1. You can use any seasoning you want. Seasoning salt, Creole seasoning salt, and black pepper. It doesn't matter. And then once we add that, we're going to add our pepperonis. We're going to go wild with them. Not too wild, but we're going to get it on there. So I got this from Save-A-Lot as well for $5. Can't beat that because it is a big pack. Put your air fryer on 400 degrees for 10 minutes. You want to check on it every 5 minutes. If it's not how you want it to look, go ahead and add another 10 minutes to it. But check every 5 minutes so you don't burn it, because this is some thin crust. Now that it is done, I cooked mine officially for 15 minutes. I added just a little sprinkle of Parmesan cheese on top, and I'm going to cut it. I should have cut it on a cutting board because it was very hard trying to cut it on here. So I'm going to end up putting it on a cutting board and show you what it looks like. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you try it at home and let me know how it came out.